Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great week, great Christmas, great Hanukkah, great whatever you're celebrating, and a great 2017, folks, because it's coming right around the corner. Love is kind and just. When you're in love, a smile is always on your face. You feel good about yourself, and because you're happy, you are kind. Love is also just. When you make a mistake, you pay only once for that mistake. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 39, NASDAQ up 20, S&P's up 3, gold contract up $4.10, trading at $1,141 an ounce. Silver down 16 cents, $16.05 an ounce. Platinum down $9 at $9.17 an ounce. Copper down 6.5 pennies, trading out at $2.49 a pound. Light sweet crude down 10 cents at $52.85 a barrel. Bonds, we had the 10-year note up 15 ticks, 123.09. 30-year bond up a full point, 11 ticks, 149. Now, notes and bonds, folks, both need volume. Okay, the notes had half a point, which isn't bad, light volume. Bonds had 1.5 points. Bonds are inside its larger trading range. However, you got to get inside that with conviction, which means wide price spread and volume. King dollar up 181 ticks, trading at 103.105. The euro's at 103, and the yen is trading at 117. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have out here? This is what we have. You have the SPY traded to a price point today of 226. We are at 225.50. Bottom line, we come down Friday. You come down with monster volume, 156 million shares. You try to get higher today with 56 million, 86 million. Can't handle higher price. Dow Industrials. Dow Industrials are set up the exact same way. Dow Industrials got to a price point out here today of 19,917. We came down on Friday with 2.2 billion shares. You're going up today with 776 million. That's the correlation. You have no buyers up here after we went down slightly on Friday. The composite. So the NASDAQ composite as well as the NDX 100 both failed on price and on volume. We start with the composite. This is what you have. Composite today got to a price point of 54.83. We closed at 54.57. We did 1.6 billion shares versus 3.2 billion. So now we'll see how this shakes out. You got to remember, I suspect tomorrow and the next day we'll have regular trading. Holiday trading is going to come in big time by Thursday. Thursday, really to the end of the year, you get holiday trading happen because we have the holidays this year are on Sunday. The markets close Monday, but guess what? These markets are going to be basically just about shut down Friday prior to Christmas and Hanukkah, Friday prior to the New Year's. We'll see how Thursday shakes out. So I don't expect a lot of movement as we get up into those levels. Inside the NASDAQ composite, we're at 54.57. The first place in order to get in a lower range, the composite has to get into 53.40. So that's quite a way down from where we are right now. NDX 100, different ball game. So the NDX 100 also failed on price, failed on volume. NDX got to a high today. We got to 49.63. That is the high. Gave it up. So NDX, we are at 49.34 and 49.11 inside the NDX would get you inside that lower range. And it looks to me like the NDX will actually try to do that prior to 2017. If we go take a look at the 3Qs, which of course is the ETF structure for the NDX 100, The 3Qs came down on Friday with 26 million shares. They tried to make a high today with 20 million, couldn't handle it. And we're very close to getting inside the lower range. So the 3Qs today were up 49 cents. Inside of $119.66 gets you in the lower range. You get in that lower range, that would mean that you get a false break topside. What it also does is that because the consolidation inside the NDX 100 had been so long, we're talking about July of 2016, bottom line, the bottom of this consolidation is laying out here at 113.63. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold, folks, needs bidders. That's big time, too. It's up 370. That's nothing. You're done 1.1 million contracts. Needs a lot more than that. Gold's got to get back inside this 1158 area. Right now, you're at 1141. Silver also needs to catch a bid in order to basically get in a higher range. Now, silver is a lot closer than gold. Silver at $16. Silver, back inside. Realistically, 1647 is the number. You get back inside there, then it will have a shot to go into that 1724 area. Notes, and you want to keep your eye on these notes and the bonds. The reason being is that if we get a turn, that's going to turn everything, because the bottom line is that these notes and bonds came down fast, furious. Rates went up fast, furious. Now, the notes have been trying to get off the lows, haven't had success, and didn't have success today either. You came up 15 ticks. You only did that, though, at 956,000 contracts. First off, the note's got to get back inside 123.19. That's 10 ticks from where we are. And as I said a little bit earlier, what you want to see in order to make that conviction move is an expansion of volume as you get inside this, so you know that you have real buyers. Now, the 30-year is inside the range. That being said, once you got back inside 148.11, you're inside the range. The 30-year, first time it got back inside the range was on December 12th. Got in there, fell out of there, came in there again, and that's I like how that happens. When you see that happen, that's a good indication that, okay, it's really trying to get in there. What we want to see also in the 30-year, though, is that you want to see that wide price spread accelerated volume. Now, the 30-year looks like it has a shot to get up to the 150.08. And if that's what we're talking, then I suspect you will see a wide price spread come in. The reason being is that type of counter trend bounce would be very fast and would catch a few people on the wrong side of this trade. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow Industrials closed up 39. The NASDAQ up 20. S&P's up 5.5. We're going to be right back.